What's up, everybody? It's Amrinder Singh, and you are listening to Learn Punjabi like a native podcast. The main purpose of this podcast is to teach you conversation in Punjabi and tell the difference between textbook type Punjabi and the real conversation in Punjabi. Now, let's kick this thing off. Today, we're gonna learn Punjabi word is tarah and us tarah. We would also know the alternative of these words. Basically, these words, us tarah, is tarah, is an academic word. This is only used in books. But in talking, we use like a I means is tarah. Ume means us tarah. Or some people use like a edda, oda, alright? So it means like this or like that. Like when we talk, hey, you need to do like this. You need to do like that, right? So how we use these words in Punjabi? So that's what I'm gonna tell you in the context with sentences, alright? So first example, ਤੂੰ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਜਾ, alright? Like you do like that, like come to me, like come to my house, alright? So in Punjabi, this is an academic sentence, but in colloquial way, it's going to be ਐਂ ਤੂੰ ਐਂ ਕਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੇ ਆ ਜਾ, alright? Or some people who lives in the Baba area, maybe in Majha, they say ਤੂੰ ਏਦਾਂ ਕਰ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਆ ਜਾ. They use ਏਦਾਂ, alright? So we here we use ਐਂ. And another example, for example, we are working at the yard, right? So you are also doing work at the yard and I'm also doing, but I saw you are not doing it the right way, then I would say like, hey, do like that or do like this, right? That's how I will tell you, like the way I'm doing. Hey, look at, do like that, the way I'm doing, right? So in Punjabi, I will say, देख ऐं कर. Yeah, I would say like a mere angu kar, mere angu or mere vangu. It means also like that. Right? Tu mere angu kam kar or tu ain kam kar. All right. Or some people say tu edan kam kar. All right. Another example, how would you use ome, right? Or odan or ostara. For example, I give you like I told you like I come car, right? And you just start doing that and you are not still doing good. And I say, all right, you can do like the way you were doing, right? मैं ना चलो उम्मीद ही कर ला ना चलो उम्मीद ही कर ला, right? It means like a do the way you were doing. ना तू ऐं कर उम्मीद ही कर ला, right? ਨਾ ਤੂੰ ਐਂ ਕਰ ਉੱਦਾਂ ਹੀ ਕਰ ਲਾ, ਉੱਦਾਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ, alright? That's how we say. In textbook it is going to be like ਤੂੰ ਉਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਕਰ ਲਾ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ, alright? So we say ਤੂੰ ਉਵੇਂ ਹੀ ਕਰ ਲਾ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ, alright? So now the ume means the meaning, it means like the way you were doing like before. So basically this is not the way you are doing right now, it's mean the alternate way, right? The way you were doing before. So these words are very important. When we talk, we use all the time. Ain karla, ain dekh, alright? So ਉਵੇਂ ਕਰ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ. ਨਾ ਨਾ ਐ ਨਾ ਕਰ, ਉਵੇਂ ਕਰ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ. It means no, don't do that. Do like you were doing before. That's what it means. So there are a lot of words like you can use is tarah, us tarah. These are academic words. Or you can use like I, ome, alright, or idda, udda. So I use like I, ome, or if you wanna mention yourself like mere angu kar, mere angu, mere vangu, it means do like me. ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ, ਕੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਕੰਮ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ or ਤੇਰੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਕੰਮ. So it means tomorrow I'll do the work like you did today or you did, right? That's it's mean ਤੇਰੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ, like you. Like another example, ਕੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਉਹ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਦਿਖਦਾ ਸੀ, right? Just as saw boy, he looks like you, right? ਤੇਰੇ ਵਾਂਗੂ it's mean similar to you. Another word I can use like ਕੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਉਹ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਸੀ, ਉਹ ਤੇਰੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਦਿਖਦਾ ਸੀ. Now ਵਰਗਾ means also like ਤੇਰੇ ਵਰਗਾ, it means he looks like you, right? Varga is similar to some. ਕੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਤੇਰੀ ਕਾਰ ਵਰਗੀ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਕਾਰ ਦੇਖੀ. ਕੱਲ ਮੈਂ ਤੇਰੀ ਕਾਰ ਵਰਗੀ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਕਾਰ ਦੇਖੀ. Yesterday I saw a car. It looks like your car. Alright. So anyway, that's it. I think you learned the new extra word varga. Alright. So these kind of words are very important. You guys need to identify these words and then pay attention, so it would easier for you to understand. And if you like to use them in your speaking, this is gonna be great for you all. So, if you think you are getting the value from this podcast and you wanna support this podcast, then you can support it through Patreon and PayPal. Links are in the description. Everything would be appreciated. It would also help this podcast to grow more. By the way, if you had time to understand Punjabi pronouns like active pronouns, passive pronouns, possessive pronouns, then check out my new ebook. It's completely free. Link is in the description. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and learned something new today. I'll be back with another lesson in another day.